Is going on YouTube? How have y'all been, man? It's been a while. To my 5 subscribers, forever growing. The last 3 videos I've been talking about y'all. I appreciate y'all. Um, I've just been living life. Still hitting the gym. Still staying on top of my business. Keep on trying to get more ambitious, throwing more hours per week, more hours per week. But on top of that, another thing I've added onto my business that I wanted to talk about is foreign exchange, ForEx with FX, whatever you know it as. Um, you know, if you do stocks, you might already know about it, or they're not all the same, but few and far between. Okay, so I'm here to talk about some things that I have learned in my first week dealing with ForEx. It's all been good actually. I'm up. What is it? I'm still getting used to things. I did no demo account. It's just been pretty smooth and solid going. No real like profit. I haven't gained $100 or something. Like I've been in it for a week, have not gained $100. Let's just start there. I started off with $1,000 investment, um, which I don't know is lower or higher than depending on who you talk to. It's like lower or higher. Most time people were dealing with foreign exchange. The reason why the market does go up and down is because the big money players, the people with the big money. That's why there's so much loose money, and I'm able to make my $70 in a week that I did, and everybody's still happy up top, blah, 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 and I'm not having any real deal into what the shifting of the market that do. So anybody who doesn't know about foreign exchange, it's like talking about currency exchanging. The U.S. dollar, the Australian dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, the British pound, dealing with all of those, Swiss franc, dealing with all of those foreign exchanges. Um, Canadian dollar. Did I miss any? Dealing with all those major, let's just say these major current exchanges, and dealing with the pairs and shifting your money over. Like let's say I have $5 that's worth $6, €6. All right, well I'm going to give them my five to get the six, and then as soon as no. In fact, let me go ahead. Let's say it's worth $4, and then so I buy it for $4, and then when I get back to my American dollar, it's worth $6. So now that I've held it for an hour, held this euro for an hour, now when I get my American dollar back, I will be able to have more money off of it. Again, like I said, it's a lot of big money players, but people who want to get in, get out, take some extra money, like it can all be there. So we're going to talk about some things that I've learned. One thing, get used to a trading platform. I'm not saying you have to go to a demo account. Uh, I say get go. We'll talk about that. You don't have to go to a demo account, but get used to a trading platform. They have warm up videos. They have 5 minute videos. They have 30-minute videos just to get you warmed up for let you know all of what you're dealing with. On top of that, get all the terms down. Okay, stop loss, take profit, limit stop, limit buys, stop buys. Like you need to like learn all of that. Uh, Maybe not just for your own self, but if you're following somebody who is a little bit more experienced with foreign exchange, then you'll be taking advice from them, and you won't know what to do on top of that if you don't know the terminology and everything that goes along with foreign exchange and the trading platforms and all the terminology. So you want to know that. And that gets me onto signals. I would say I was going to go about this alone and just learn on my own. And then I ran in like Instagram, of course, has a lot of information everywhere. So does YouTube. But I didn't get what YouTube was talking about with signals. I didn't get it all the way and what it all entails. I'm following a pretty great signal guy from Instagram. If anybody wants to know, we can talk about that a little bit later. Maybe I'll throw them in the comments if anybody wants to know, because that's the only way I'm gonna know is in the comments. So I'm following a signal guy who goes over the market every morning. We'll talk about that. Who goes over what we're going to buy, if we're going to be buying, what's like what today's going to entail, and like what we're going to do. And we swing trade, so it's not like I'm putting in 5 trades a day or even closing out 2 trades a day. Like it's In the last week that I've done, I probably put in 4 trades, and I'm not even closed out of. I might be closed out of 2. Yeah, I put in 5 trades. And I'm closed out of 2. So again, $70 profit. And I'm in profit for the rest of them. As in, I could close out of them right now. And just as much as I said, I didn't make 100 throughout the week. I could make 100 throughout the week if you know what I mean. But right now, they're still going up, fluctuating and stuff. And my take profit's a little bit higher. So since the guy that I get the signal from has done all the analytics and all the research that needed to be done, he expected to be at a certain for it to hit a certain level before we actually are in any danger to stop or need to take profit right now. So once it hits that take profit, that's when we're getting out, and I'll probably have a different weekly update next week or 2 weeks from now whenever I do another updated video of what's going on with ForEx. So yeah, find a good signal guy. Like when you're dealing with signals, you don't want to be scammed. I mean, this Instagram. I mean, he has like 35,000 followers, but even those guys get their profile taken, and they start doing other things, and people start using your face, and people start wanting to give their own signals and blah blah blah. So what you want to do with that definitely is find a good signal guy. Like I said, my guy let me into his signals and analytics channel for a free hour first. And as soon as I saw the value, within 5 minutes, I'm not joking, within 5 minutes, I signed up with him. No joke. Within 5 minutes. Mind you, it said, what did it say? And this is funny because it said like 90 British pound, and it had like the pound symbol on the side. Didn't understand it. I thought it was $90. Didn't even think twice about it. I'm like $90. I'm like, this mother sucker's weird. Like I think he's like from a country in like Africa, maybe South America. I don't know, but he has an accent and everything. So I'm like, yeah, this guy's just weird. Whatever. Came out, it was 130, and I was like, well, whatever. The value is all the way there. Like I'm telling you, I looked at his signal channel for 10 minutes and signed right just like that. I didn't need the full hour. The value is there. Forex is real, and I'm keeping it real with you, saying I did not make $100. Like I could have wowed out and made you really excited. Oh yeah, I put in 5,000. I've already made 500 back in a week. Nah, it's not real. I can't wait until that is. With the numbers, and if you're risking 10%, they say like, I mean, again, risk. If you're risking 2%, then you're not really going to be making $100, $200 to $200 a day until you've got an account of about $20,000. So I can't wait until that day, but that's what we're working for, $100 to $200 a day. Full-time job, a good full-time job, 5 days a week. That should get full-time, like $100 a day is solid. Everybody knows $230 some dollars is a day, and this is including Saturday and Sunday, of course. That you make, it will make you 100,000 there. So 6 figures takes $230 some dollars a day. Keep that in mind as on your journey. Another thing that I've learned, and I've talked about the 2%, is managing risk. Like I said, we're swing trading, and swing traders, I don't know if you know the difference between swing traders, day trading, long-term swing, scalping, but we're swing trading, so it's like managing risk. Like you need to know what you're putting up, and you don't want to go and get out of line. As in, like, I put up 2% every time. Obviously, I told you I'm $70 up. If I would have went to 4%, I'd be $140 up. So you get what I mean? It's like it's managing risk, and yeah, I would like to bet the whole house on black dealing with Forex, since I have this experienced guy who's done research, but he's not 100% sure of the financial market. Nobody is. Nobody's 100% sure of these markets. So what he did, what we do is you just don't bet at all. Like you just don't know. It's like I equate this to poker a little bit. It's like you know what should happen, but it doesn't mean it just is. Aces aren't going to hold all the way through. Just because you have a flush draw and a straight draw and a top pair does not mean you're going to win. It's just things like that. So ups and downs. I haven't felt any pressures of the downs, probably because I'm not dealing with like an extreme amount of money. But it will come, and we'll keep you updated. I want y'all to know that you always should be looking to invest in other things and further bettering your life for your kid. Like I told you, I already have a business. I have an LLC. I've done that. I'm in that. Now to add on to that, I want a different stream of income. I want a different I want a different way to make money. Social media marketing is great, as you can see from YouTube. It's all good, and and you can really. I haven't really been able to experience the remoteness part of it yet. I still have to work pretty hard for all of my clients and all the things that I do. But you always want to be furthering and pushing harder, so you have to work less later. So I'm just going to leave you off with that. If you haven't looked into the foreign exchange market, YouTube always has very good information from other people. Try to find real people. Try not to give them fake people in business suits and rented Lambos. And that's the guys that y'all are getting your information from and giving your money to. Find the real guys. And yeah, that's all I got. Take it easy. I'll talk to you next time.